back to my channel, and today I have another Easter DIY for you. And I wanted to have some Easter eggs that look like fabric, but they're so expensive in the store, so we're going to make some. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make the project. You're going to need some Mod Podge, and I just have the mat. And then I bought these styrofoam eggs at Joann's, and they were on clearance for $3.97. And you get 6 in each package, so I have 2 packages. And then I saw this material there, and I loved it because it's just different materials that are cut. So and it's just like a fabric roll, and it has 20 strips of designer fabric, and each strip is like 2.5 inches by 42 inches. And I really loved how these looked because I thought these would make some gorgeous Easter eggs. So what I'm going to do is just Mod Podge this fabric onto those eggs. I think it's going to be really simple. So you'll need a foam brush, maybe a cutter and a mat, and then I might just use scissors. But I think this is going to be really cute. So all I have to do is just open this and see what fabric I want. I mean, there's so many to choose from. Oh, I love this fabric. It is beautiful. And it is so long. Okay. I think that would be a beautiful Easter egg. Oh my gosh. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut some of this fabric, and then I'll be right back. Okay, what I did is I cut a bunch of this fabric, and it is gorgeous, 8 inches long, and then I'm cutting just into little strips so that I can decoupage it on the egg. I'm not cutting the strips very large at all. I'm just sort of holding it and just cutting it right straight down through there. I cut it the first time with a rotary cutter, but now I'm just using my scissors because I don't care if it's really precise. And I forgot to tell you, this fabric was $14.99 at Joann's, but I used a 50% coupon, so I got it for like $7.50, I think it was, and it is gorgeous. I love it. All right, so what we're going to do is just take our egg, and we're going to put some decoupage on the egg, really a lot of it right down through here. And then we're just going to coat the back of this fabric. And it's going to be a messy project, but I think it's going to be beautiful. Okay, then you're just going to put this right on the egg and take your saran wrap and just come right down and rub it. It is so simple. It gives such a nice look. I think this is going to be gorgeous. So let me get another piece. And we're just going to put the Mod Podge right on the back, liberal amount. And then just come and slightly, ever so slightly, overlap it just a little bit. And use your saran wrap to smooth it out. That way your fingers won't pull it off. This is going to be beautiful. So it's going to look like you had the fanciest eggs and you really did not put that much effort or money into it. So I'll be back as soon as I get this egg finished. Okay guys, what I did is I tried to decoupage the styrofoam egg and it just didn't work for me. It could have just been me. So I went ahead and got these little eggs. I either got these at Walmart or Dollar Tree that are very inexpensive. And I just decoupaged it. Same principle, cut it in those little strips, but I think it is gorgeous. Now this one's very, very tacky, so I have to lay it down to dry. But that's what I'm doing. So let me show you with another piece. Let me just go ahead and cut some off here. But it's really simple. You just cut it off, like I said, in those strips. Not too long. But the same size I gave you earlier is still right. And I'm just cutting them into smaller strips so that they will go on easier. Then all I do is take my strip and I put it down on my, like I said, this is messy. Or maybe it's just me, but this is how I'm doing it. But it's really giving me a nice effect. I love it. And I've just been coating both sides. Then I go ahead and I just lay it on the egg and I take my saran wrap and just rub it like that. And you can see it adheres right to the egg. It is gorgeous. You could even just like put it on certain ways on these colored eggs, but I want to color them all over. But I'm loving this effect. Like I said, I had to tweak it because it just wasn't working. And I thought, ugh, that is not easy. So, and then you just lay this right beside that one, kind of overlap. And you may know a better way to do this. If you do, let me know, because I'd love to know. This is just what I came up with. And then that is what you have. And I think it is beautiful. So I'll be back once I get all of my little eggs done. Okay, guys, I'm pretty much finished with some of these. They're not quite 100% dry, but you can see how beautiful those are. I need to cut these little strings off, but like I said, they are still damp. But you would never know that that was either a Dollar Tree or Walmart egg under there. I love it. And then here's this one. They all have different looks. And then here's this one. Now this one, the egg was a totally different color. So I will tell you it's easier, I think, if you pick an egg that complements the color fabric that you have. And then here's this one. I just think they are really precious. And then this one I was just playing around and I thought, I wonder how it would look just to put it kind of like abstract on that egg. And I think that's even cute. So what I'm going to do is, and you could get any fabric that you wanted and it'd be beautiful. I'm going to put it somewhere and then I'll come back and let you see what they look like. Okay guys, I decided to put these down in this little bunny that I got from Target's Dollar Spot. And I think they're beautiful. You would never know that those are just Walmart or Dollar Tree plastic eggs that have been decoupaged with fabric. I think they're adorable. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.